Hello everybody, welcome to the lecture 4 and the ETABS and SAFE course. Now in this section we will talk about the one-way ribbed slab and story 3. We return to the AutoCAD plan shop drawing, which show that this plan is for ribbed slab. We noted that ribbed slab is a one-way ribbed slab and one-way slab. So the ribs are in one-way direction, contrary with waffle slab, the ribs are in two-way direction. We can choose the direction of ribs as we want. Here in this project we choose the direction Y, so the ribs are the direction 1. Here we have the main beams. Now we want to calculate the thickness of this ribbed slab. We return to the presentation. We show that this is an example of one-way ribbed slab. These ribs are in the X direction. Our project, the ribs are in the Y direction. Story 3 ribbed slab, one way parallel to Y axis. The ribbed slab, as we said before, it is a one-way ribbed slab and one-way slab. We use ribbed slab usually for residential building because it can play a good role and the insulator of sounds and the building. The loads on the ribbed slab, always we put the dead load and ribbed slab and the software excluding from safe weight 4.5 kN per meter square. For live load equal to kN per meter square, because in story 3 it is a residential story. So from the table of live load from ACI code, live load equal to 2 kN per meter square. This is the table of the ribbed slab, one-way ribbed slab. It is the same table for beams. So here L equal the length of ribs and the direction. So we will use this direction for L. L parallel to the ribs, so H of slab equal to H of beam, because we need use a hidden beam and the table of beams is the same table for one-way ribbed slab. So H of beam equal H of slab equal 38 centimeter. For interior beams, the same section we use on story 1, story 2, story 3, be 100 by 38 centimeter. For the exterior edge beams, we use drop beams, same beams used in story 2, be 25 centimeter by 75 centimeter. Thank you for listening. We continue in the next session.